Good morning, everyone. Thanks for watching. It's early morning. It's 7:09 right now. It's cloudy outside, 42 degrees at the moment. We have some rain coming. There's even some snow that has been coming down. And I am in my Shelby GT350, and I'm on the way to Salt Lake City to go to the annual service, oil change and service. The car currently has 12,620 miles at this very moment, and I'll keep driving to the service center, the Ford service center, and have the car serviced. And when it's back out, we'll look at what it cost and what has changed from last year, and we'll go over all that fun stuff. Other than that, yes, I'm driving like an old person. I'm driving slow. Traffic is usually crazy. People just stressed out, changing lanes, driving stupid. And sometimes it's just easier to take it easy and go slower than anyone else, and you save yourself a lot of stress. Or you can also go faster than everyone else, but then you risk getting a ticket for the reason of trying to get away from dumb people, and that's not worth it either. And it's not really fun to drive fast on the freeway anyways. You know, it's fun to drive fast on certain roads or on a racetrack, not just on the freeway, because everyone with any dumb car can do that nowadays. Proof is right there when you look out of the window here. I do record this with a dash cam because I don't want to have my phone in my hand at this moment, and I did forget my GoPro at home. So if there's something interesting to film at the dealership, I will film it with my phone, and so we'll have the footage anyways. Alright, car drives in 6th gear. It's really good on gas right now, 6th gear. The exhaust is closed on 6th gear always. You shift it in 5th gear. Let's do that. You hear it? Shift back in 6th gear. It's quiet. So that's just how the Shelby is set up, and whether if I like it or not. Alright. Okay, I'll keep driving. I'll keep you updated about what they said at the service center, the Ford dealership. Alright, hang in there. Don't leave. Video's not over. Alright guys, and here we are. The Ford is just here on my right. The roads are full of potholes, which is okay if you drive a truck, but not if you drive a vehicle like this. Alright, here we go. I'll have to check in here and pull in. Alright, talk to you later. Here we are, guys. It took me about 2 hours and my car is done. Good thing is I did not have to pay 1 penny. According to them, I paid for some service package when I bought the car, and this was one of them that was still free, which I knew I paid that, but that was back in 2017. And I've been there before. I've been there after that, and I could swear I paid for the service. I'll have to look when I get home. Yeah, but I won't complain, you know, not paying is always good. I'll find a nice spot to pull over, and we'll look at the paperwork, see what it says on there. Maybe there's some explanation on there. Yeah, it's nice. I am stopped right now and I'm looking at the paperwork here, and I see I had indeed a fuel saver package gas. Not sure what that is. Anyways, it says prepaid, whatever. I'll look into that later. They did an oil change, and the oil change would have cost $174, with this more than what it costs for a different vehicle, but this is also more oil, and it's 550 fully synthetic oil, so it's more expensive. No rotated tires, of course, because the rear ones are wider. That would not be good. Now here's something interesting. Look at this one here. Luggage compartment lid wiring inspection, rear view camera improper function. It says red, customer will return to have recall performed. They didn't say a word about that, and the camera does work. It's not like it's not working, and nobody said anything about it. So I'll give him a call and I will ask about that and see what they say. And then Speed Bay multi-point inspection, done. Doesn't say anything. Let me turn the page. And then what else do we have? Brake linings are currently in good condition. I knew that. And tires may require future attention. Yes, of course, I know that as well. Yeah, I got in at 7:36. I got it out almost exactly at 9:36. So that is yeah, that is all right. And then it says remainder of bill on Shelby bill to sales, whatever they do there. Let's look at the next page here, and here is my car. It says engine oil okay, brake okay, power steering okay, window washer they had to fill, transmission okay. Well, it is just standard crap there. Yeah, they did the inspection. This is just, I don't know, you know, the horn works. Honestly, very not interesting to check. Battery condition is great, even it was really weak on me the other day. I'll have to, I did tell them to check on the battery. They didn't get back to me on that, so not sure. The tire depth is 4 according to them, and that's in the middle in the orange. It's not on the green anymore. Spare tire, okay, there is no spare tire, so of course the condition is great, and the brakes are good. We knew that. They did not do anything else. All right, yeah, that was it. So yeah, there's still some snow left over. That was it for today. I will call about the camera recall thing. Let's try the camera right here. Going reverse. There's the camera. I do have to say it looks a little more grainy than it used to, doesn't it? Or is that the way they look? It looks a little different, I think, but you know, I'm also spoiled with my other cars because they have all those new screens and high definition, everything, and it looks so great. So it may be that this technology looks a little older to me right now. Anyways, this was it. Shelby service for 23. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching. I'll have more videos coming out. Thanks for all the support.